nerdzalert.com. Today we're going to talk about other operating systems besides Windows. With everything you got out there these days, most people kind of tend to lean towards the big boys, which is Windows, XP, Windows Vista, and Windows 7 operating system. They kind of, when they hear the word Linux, they think you have to read or speak binary language to be able to use the operating system. But nowadays that's really just not true. There's several companies out there that are making very user-friendly, very easy to use operating systems. One of those would be the operating system that we're going to talk about today, which is Kubuntu. Visually, it's very similar in nature to your operating Windows or your Windows operating systems. It's very user-friendly. It's chock full of beautiful graphics and visual enhancements for you to use. The menus on it are real easy to use. As you can see, it's down here, real similar to a Windows operating system. You got your start type menu down here at the bottom. Then this is the newer style menu where you can go to each individual category. You got your applications, you got your computer area, you got your recently used, and of course your leave or shut down. Now on the applications, under each individual category, you then go to the side, go to the next one, go to your individual categories, graphics, so on and so forth, settings, and hit back. Or if you're still not comfortable with the way that looks, you can change the settings on it to the classic menu style to where it looks even more like kind of a Windows-based operating system. Now the Kubuntu is based on the KDE desktop as opposed to the GNOME desktop. Ubuntu would be based on that. Both operating systems, as well as several others, are made by the Canonical Corporation or Canonical Limited company out of, I believe it's South Africa. And they make quite a few operating systems based on the Linux kernel. You have Mythbuntu, Kubuntu, Ubuntu, Edubuntu, which is specifically designed for educational purposes, and so on and so forth. It's a really fun operating system to use. It's, like I said, it's very visually pleasing to the eye. It's based on the open source software concept, the GNU General Public License, so that you're able to use, home users are able to use it for free. There's a lot of ways you can get to it. Of course, you can go to our website and click on the link alert to get to our page where all the links are at. That would be nerdzalert.com, of course. And if you'll scroll down here to the free operating section, you'll see the very second one there is Kubuntu. Of course, that's got several of the other Ubuntu operating systems, as well as Mandriva and Knoppix and a few other free operating systems there that you can go to. And of course, you can always use your old pal Google to Google it and find Kubuntu. Once you're there, you can download it and try it out yourself. It's a great operating system. I very strongly suggest anybody who's wanting to expand out from Windows or wanting to get more towards a free operating system or a method of just doing something different for a change instead of having the same old, to give either Ubuntu with the GNOME desktop or Kubuntu with the KDE desktop environment a try. I really think you'll enjoy them. Once again, this has been your friends at Nerds Alert, and you have a good day.